Hey everybody, and welcome back. First off, I'm going to be starting off with this old candle lid, and I'm going to trace out 8 circles on a piece of foam board. Next, I'll be using this ribbon spool from Dollar Tree, and I'll be using it to create the inner circle. Guys, this is just a scrap piece of a gift bag that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to use it to create the mirrored look that I'm going for. Next, I'm going to trace out 4 more circles on a piece of construction paper. Here, I'm hot gluing the construction paper to the foam board cutout. I'll be using tube confetti from the Dollar Tree, as well as translucent Elmer's glue. Right here, I'm just applying Mod Podge. Then I'm going to place the faux mirror cutouts that we've created over top. I'm using some bling stickers from Amazon. Right here, I'm showing you that I left a space so that I can put my hot glue and glue them down nice and evenly. I'll be using this mirror from the Dollar Tree as a base. I'm going to be using this old candle lid, and I'm just going to wrap it with more of that Amazon bling. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? For my next DIY, I'm going to be using this Dollar Tree fishbowl as well as Elmer's translucent glue and some silver fine glitter. Guys, when I was doing this project, I found out that the translucent glue slides a little bit when you are applying it to the glass. However, I kind of like the look of it, so I just went with it. But if you don't like this look, maybe try cleaning the glass with some alcohol to see if that will help. I'll be using these stickers from Dollar Tree. I'll be using this tea light holder, and it's also from Dollar Tree. So here's what it looks like, guys. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.